everybody, to this edition of More IP.
We want to contribute to a better society through better internet. So we believe, even though we chose this mission already a number of years ago, it actually fits with also some of the developments we see in the market.
So we will go from a society of knowledge to a society of intelligence.
Ask questions, those fundamental questions. Don't take things for granted, not your own assumptions, and also not the stories that we tell each other. And look what happens with your own creativity when you do that.
The resiliency of internet and the latency and the size of the pipes and the bandwidth and how far and how fast they can go is a very important matter, and it's an ecosystem.
All these ingredients will help to become as the digital hub or being in the right society, as you mentioned. That's why now the Gulf is becoming a new digital hub for our region, at least.
ITU, the UN, and others are currently discussing. Now, if you look at data today, most of Africa is above 10% the cost of broadband connectivity. So what are we going to do to contribute to bringing this down?
30 years AMS-IX. Congratulations.
Yeah, we're glad to be here and to have a little celebration with AMS-IX and the folks.
I'm very proud that AMS-IX has reached this incredible result.
It was a very challenging and exciting period with setting up the company, hiring the first CEO, CTO, CCO, insourcing the operations from SurfNet to AMS-IX, getting more services up and running.
I was there at the beginning when there were only 6 connectees, and I've seen AMS-IX grow to an international organization.
It's good to have AMS-IX, it's good for Dutch economy, it's good for internet development.
I'm really happy that the work which Henk has started years ago is now fully okay, and with Peter on board, it's getting perfect, more perfect than ever before.
Massive way of getting the world connected, getting people together, getting communities set up. What does it mean? I think AMS-IX did a very good job on everything they've done.
I think the future is going to be exciting. And in order to deal with that, we need to be adaptive and flexible. And we need to innovate and come up with new technologies, remain a thought and technology leader in the market of internet.
The board and the staff should keep up the good work, keep it stable. Don't overdo it, as you did in the last 30 years, but also don't stop the More IP events. I think when I look at all the other iAccess, this is the best event during the year with the most interesting content, so please keep that going.